Hi, I'm Max Tucci, celebrity chef and lifestyle expert. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy black eyed pea salad. And I'm not talking about the band. Now this is very simple and it's quick and easy. All we need are some olive oil, some salt, some Italian herbs, some canned black eyed peas, and make sure you wash them off so you get that extra sodium off. Some carrots, some celery, and some of my favorite stuff, balsamic vinegar. A bowl and some mixing utensils. Now we've got this all done up and ready for you, so we're gonna add these right into the bowl. And these are those black eyed peas. Throw them right into the bowl. We've washed them off again. Remember, the more you wash them off, the less sodium. Then you're gonna add some diced cubed celery, some diced and cubed washed organic carrots, some of that olive oil. Now you know I love olive oil because I'm Italian. And of course we're going to put in that salt. Now this salt I love because it's got a mixture in it as well with some other Italian herbs and pepper. Then a little bit more Italian seasoning. Of course my favorite, the balsamic vinegar. Now you can get creative with this. If you want to throw in some tuna, throw in some tuna. If you want to throw in some eggs, throw in some eggs. It's a very simple and easy recipe. This is my quick and easy recipe here. And these black eyed peas are such a delicious source of nutrition for you, as well with the carrots. They're good for your eyes, and the celery is good for your bones. Did you know that? Well, that's a quick and easy black eyed pea recipe. I'm Max Tucci, and thanks for watching.